Hi, my name is Shweta Korat. Stay in Pune. I have endometriosis and adenomyosis, and I have a lot of issues related to that. I consulted Dr. Balaji Nalwad sir uh, 2 months ago, and after that, I started taking my surgery things seriously because he suggested me to go for the surgery because of the equipments they have, 3D cameras here we have, OT facilities we have over here. And my overall experience with Balaji sir had been really nice. And I don't know what to say more. I'm getting discharged in 2 days because of non-invasive my surgery. I have my uterus removed, one ovaries is removed, two fallopian tubes are removed, and a lot of shavings happens on my bladder and other things. But still, I am feeling quite okay after just 1.5 day or 2 days after the surgery. So I am feeling quite relieved. Thank you.